Okay, now guys, we just want to talk about what we are seeing here right now in our previous example. So we have that word bool, or that just simply means Boolean, and this is a method or a function that is specifying true or false. So when it comes to PHP, it is essentially a way for us to check if a statement is true or false, and that's what we did in our previous lesson from where we have here in our, I think that's in our number strings here, and we're checking on whether this is numeric, this integer is numeric, this string is numeric, and this character or the word 10 is numeric. And we're seeing in our browser that this is true, true, and this one is false. So this is a very common concept in other programming languages, having some Boolean values. So just have that in mind for the meantime as we go along with further seeing some more examples, and as you move forward with your programming journey, I'm sure you'll be able to see more examples on how we will be practically using this concept, the true or false statements or the Boolean statements that we'll be checking for true or false. So just to have another example, we usually check and use Booleans for checking for conditions. And we did see that in our previous example. So let's have a simple statement here. 1, or let's just say 50 is equals 50, and this should be echoing the value of this is true. So else echo this is false. So just don't be too confused about this. We will talk more about if statements or conditional statements as we move forward with our lessons. But for now, let's just see what will happen here and go back to our Boolean example. And we do see this is true. And if we try to go back to our example here and we say that this is going to be 150, let's see what are we going to display. So is it going to display this line of data type string, or this line of echo statement that contains that this is false? So if I go back here, and you will see this is false. So that's just a simple way on how we can use the data type Boolean. And these are some of the most common data types. And as we move forward, we will be familiarizing ourselves with some more data types or other data types that is usable in the PHP programming language. So for now, just have those information, and we'll be using this in some more examples as we go along with some of the lessons that we have.